Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out a powerful kitchen tool that's perfect for home cooks, small restaurants, or anyone who needs a reliable, professional-grade cooking solution without a full stove setup. Meet the ChangBERT Induction Cooktop, a commercial-grade, portable induction burner built to deliver fast, efficient, and precise cooking power. Right away, what stands out about this cooktop is its robust 1800 watt heating coil. That's enough power to boil water, sauté veggies, or simmer sauces in no time. The large 8-inch heating coil evenly distributes heat, so you get consistent cooking performance every time, no hot spots or uneven cooking. Made with 1810 stainless steel, this countertop burner is not only durable but also super easy to clean. The stainless steel surface resists stains, scratches, and corrosion, making it perfect for heavy use in busy kitchens or food prep stations. One of the key features is its NSF certification, meaning it meets strict standards for safety and sanitation. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook who takes food safety seriously, this cooktop checks all the boxes. The digital control panel is straightforward and user-friendly. You get a 10-hour timer that lets you set your cooking time precisely, so nothing gets overcooked or forgotten. Plus, the timer adds a layer of safety by automatically shutting off the burner when the time is up. The portable design means you can easily move it around your kitchen, take it to outdoor gatherings, or even bring it along for catering events or camping trips where a traditional stove isn't available. Despite its power and size, it's surprisingly compact and lightweight. The cooktop features precise temperature control, giving you the flexibility to cook delicate dishes at low heat or crank it up for high heat searing. This versatility makes it suitable for everything from simmering soups to frying steaks. Another great point: induction cooking is energy efficient and safer than traditional electric or gas stoves. It heats the cookware directly, so your kitchen stays cooler, and there's less risk of accidental burns. If you want a professional-grade burner that's portable, durable, and packed with features, the ChangBERT Induction Cooktop is an excellent choice for your kitchen or business. Check the description for the latest price and details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen tech and cooking gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!